Hey dolls, welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this Equate Beauty steamer. I purchased it from Walmart, and this is typically used to steam off gel polish. So what I did was filled it up to the 5 ml line. I do not recommend you going past that. I recommend that you only fill it up to the 5 ml line. The reason being is because putting your hands in or taking them out, you will burn yourself. This gets really hot. So at 5 ml, just be mindful of that. And I filled mine with water and a couple drops of my cuticle oil, put the lid on, and then press the little power button on the side to start warming this up. Now, what you're going to do is take the cuticle oil, rub it on the underside of the nail, also on the cuticle area of your nail. And if you can, try to slide the brush of your cuticle oil under the nail to really work that oil in and start breaking down the glue. That's why I like to use a cuticle oil with a brush. But if you're doing this for clients and such, I wouldn't recommend you use a brush that you're going to use for other clients on their nails. And then you just use a gripping motion to keep your hands at the top of the machine and sit there and soak. In total, it took about 20 minutes for each hand. I was in my office watching Hocus Pocus and soaking or steaming these press-on nails off. The colors for this set are the Jiselle, which is the pink, and then our Antique Jewels glitter pot from DDF Nails. All of those products are actually on my website. The DDF Nails oil isn't on there at the time of filming, but it will be on there. So I'm using this cuticle pusher. By the way, this does come with the machine. When I open both of my machines, because I have two, they both came with the cuticle pusher. So as you can see, I just popped it right off. If you have any kind of resistance, please do not force the nail off. That's how you get damage. Just take it, loosen it up with the cuticle pusher, and steam your nails again if you have to. Here, I'm just rubbing that extra oil onto the nails, and then I'm going to use a disposable buffer to just go over top of only the parts of the nail that has glue. You'll know it's glue because it will be white. The rest of the nail will not be. Unless you pulled up some layers of your nail, then it will be white. But if you did it the correct way, you should only be buffing on top of the nail glue. Now, because you did not completely soak in acetone, really you could just take some acetone and a lint-free wipe or a cotton pad and just wipe the rest of the glue off. But I was trying to just work it off without any acetone if possible. So as far as the nails themselves, they're going to be fully intact. And to get the glue off the back, you're going to take a Q-tip and some pure acetone and start to work that glue, break it down on the back of the nail. Another thing that I will show you that I didn't film was that I always save my nails and I wash them in antibacterial soap and warm water in a bowl, and I use a nail brush to brush that off, and then I typically go in with this acetone and the Q-tip as well as like my flame bit on my e-file to really thin down that glue in the back of the nail. And that's it. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave them below, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, and until next time, have a gorgeous day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.